This video shows how to replace the fan guard on a PowerEdge XR4520c sled. Before removing the fan guard, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4520c service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the fan guard, first pull the blue latch on the side of the fan module. Then, holding the latch, pull the fan handle to disengage it from the guiding pin and lift, then move the fan cables out of the way and pull the fan guard free of the guide pins on the sled. To install the fan guard, place it on the guide pins and snap it into place. Then route the fan cables through the guide. Finally, pull the blue latch on the side of the fan module, and while holding the blue latch, rotate the fan handle and then push it to engage the guide pin. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.